quick tip to balance your kick and bass. Generally, we want our kick and bass to have the same energy. Here we can use the principle of sound summation of uncorrelated signals, stating that when two independent sources of equal energy, like a kick and a bass, play together, their combined RMS values will increase by 3 decibels. Solo your kick. With a metering plugin, note the RMS value of the kick alone, then slowly bring in the bass until the meter shows a 3 decibel increase in RMS. Fine-tune the mix from this starting point. Want more body and character for your drums? A simple compressor with a high ratio, fast attack and release, 0 knee, in peak mode, and with makeup gain, enabled in this case, will do the trick. How do we use it? On a drum track or drums group, we set a low threshold, then slowly dial it in to achieve the desired sound. Be sure not to overdo it. And the benefits? It's simple. By blending in this heavily compressed layer, your drums will sound fuller and more powerful, without compromising the original sound. Kick and bass need sidechaining, but let's push it further. On your bass track, create an effect rack with 2 chains, low and mid-high. Use EQ8, then a compressor in both. Set a high cut at 200 Hz on the low chain EQ8 and a contrasting low cut on the mid-high one. Set the compressors to a traditional sidechain setup with short attack and release in peak mode. And the benefits? Especially useful on a bass line with bright frequency content. Apply heavier sidechain just on the lows, leaving the mid-highs with a less pumping sound. Three essential times to reach for multiband compression. With multiband dynamics set to a classic sidechain config, you can fine-tune the level of ducking and precise control of specific frequencies only. The one-stop enhancement tool. Just drop it onto any material that needs a bit of sparkle and adjust the dry-wet to your taste. Works well on virtually any source material requiring precise control of certain frequency bands, for example, on a master bus. Subtle settings go a long way, so make sure not to overdo it. Use the band solo buttons to audition certain frequency ranges. This is especially useful in a mixing or mastering situation. Still cropping samples by hand? Here's a super fast way to crop and save Foley sounds. Using a long recording of sounds, let's warp the sample, then consolidate it with Command+J. Next, we slice it to a new MIDI track with slices per transient and the sampler zone's MPE preset. Open sampler zones, select all samples, then crop all samples. Now you can find all your new samples under Current Project, Samples, Processed and Crop, where you can organize and name them to your needs. These arrangement shortcuts save tons of hours. Time commands that start with Shift and Command. Hit Shift, Command, and D to duplicate time. Hit Shift, Command, and X to cut time. Hit Shift, Command, and V to paste time. Hit Shift, Command, and Delete to delete time. And the most important one, Command and Z, if you want to undo your last action. Save entire instrument and effect chains in seconds. When you have a really good sound dialed in and you want to be able to use that in other projects, all you need to do is to drag the MIDI or audio clip into your chosen folder in the Ableton browser. Next time when you open up a project, just drag and drop this clip into the work area and you're good to go. This is a massive time saver.